Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the portfolio. As I do with all of my videos, I want to first say thank you to all the supporters, all the subscribers, all the viewers on the channel, showing the channel so much support. Immensely appreciate that. For today's video, just want to quickly go through the last 1 week's worth of performance, highlighting all of the options contracts for this week of 3/19, the 11th week of 2021. For this week, I had 9 contracts for a total premium of $4,473. We'll go through all of those in today's video. I had contracts with Tesla, TSLA, Apple, AAPL, and Canopy Growth, CGC. So those are the options contracts for today, expiring today. One of them did execute 121 put sell with Apple, meaning I have to buy Apple at 121. Did dip down below that price, so we'll kind of talk a little bit about that. But overall, lost about $1,000, at least on paper, for that trade. So recap, $4,473 worth of options premium, minus $1,000 or so with that executed put sell on Apple, for a total premium, or at least positive premium, of $34.33 or so. A little bit higher. That's been fluctuating a bit with Apple, but let's go ahead and take a look at all of those, as well as this week's worth of performance. You can see here today up just slightly here, 0.02%, 139.23. In after hours trading up a bit here, 0.21%. Almost $1,500. And over the past 1 week of trading, you can see here very strong performance. Earlier in the week, getting up above 745,000, approaching 750,000. Kind of up and down here, but overall trending down. Currently ending the week at 707,696, so just under $708,000 for the overall portfolio. But let's go ahead and look at all of the options contracts. Again, 9 contracts in Tesla, Apple, as well as CGC Canopy Growth. So let's go down here to the first stock, Tesla. This is now one of the larger holdings in the portfolio. And if you remember from last week, I had some contracts buying and selling off Tesla here, trying to catch it on the dip and then selling it off when it does rebound. You can see here over the past 1 week of trading, if it does update here, again, I've been having some issues having this update. Overall trending down 6.04%, 1 month of trading. Kind of a little up and down pattern here, but overall definitely trending down 14.19%. And over the past 3 months of trading, you can see here trending up around $880, $890 or so. But definitely pulling back here. You can see here one of the larger holdings in the portfolio currently, 235 shares, 153,267 for overall market value. Total return there, negative 3.53%. Let's go down to all of the contracts for this week. Very good week of trading with Tesla, as we'll see here. I believe I had 3 contracts here. Up on top, you can see the expirations here. Again, these did not execute, so these are simply going to evaporate on Monday. They'll simply disappear. You can see at the top of the screen here 3 of the contracts. A Tesla 795 call sell, 319 for $61. A Tesla 640 put sell for $395. And Tesla call sell for $710 for $2,000. And again, on these contracts, I'm selling them off so I get options premium to the portfolio that I keep, regardless if the contract executes or not. Today, these will simply expire because, for example, that 795 call sell, the price of the stock did not get above that, so I don't have to sell it off for 795. For 710 likewise, and for 640, the stock did not get under 640, so I don't have to buy the stock at 640. So 3 good trades there with Tesla. Again, $2,395 and $61. Let's go down to the next stock here, Apple. As you guys remember, I've been having a lot of trades execute with Apple. Unfortunately, it's been trending down a bit in the portfolio. And again, as you can see here, I'm having some difficulty having this update here. Since the last couple updates, it's definitely been running slower on my phone. So Apple here currently trading at 120.02. You can see the past 1 week of trading. Again, if it updates here, trending down here at 1.13% over the past 1 month of trading. Kind of an up and down pattern here, which is pretty good for the type of trading that I'm doing with options. I'm trying to put in put contracts when it does dip down here to get more premium, and then when it's rebounding here, putting in call contracts if I do have to get into the stock to sell off the stock. But again here, currently 120.02. Let's go down to the history to see all of the trades for this week. I believe I had 2 trades with Apple here. 3 trades if you add it up. A put sell and a call sell. You can see those here. On the top there, pending, this is the one that executed 121 put assignment. You can see here I'm having to buy 1,000 shares, 10 contracts. One contract is 100 shares, so 1,000 shares of this stock. 121, so the total cost will be 121,000. You can see it's currently trading at 120, I believe. Let's go back real quickly here just to verify that up on top. So currently trading at 120.02. So it lost just under $1,000 paper loss for this particular stock. And again, just to highlight the premium that was received on the portfolio here, about the same as the paper loss. On the bottom here, you can see 132 call sell, $22, and 132 call sell for $88, and 121 put sell. That's the one that executed for $910. So received about $1,000 or so, and then lost just under $1,000. So overall, a slightly positive trade there. And then I hope next week this will start to rebound. I'll do a call sell, and I'll try to sell it off for more than I bought it for, if possible, for a nice swing trade. But if not, I'll sell it off for 121 and simply receive options premium. So I'll get the premium when I buy the stock and premium when I sell off the stock. At least that's how I've been trading with Apple over the last few months of trading with options. And let's go down all the way to the bottom of the portfolio for the last stock, which I currently don't have in the portfolio. Let's not go to crypto. Let's continue to scroll down here to the watch list. You can see the first stock in the watch list there, Canopy Growth, CGC. Had a few different contracts, all for $33, a put sell. Let's go all the way to the bottom and show you guys those trades here. In the history, let's open up history, and you'll see all of those up on screen when it updates here. So 3 contracts. Again, these all are expiring today. You can see that up on the top pending. So a $33 put sell, $64, 33 put sell for $225, and another one up on top there under past 3 days for $708. So those are all of the contracts for this week. Again, CGC Canopy Growth, Apple, AAPL, and Tesla TSLA. And those are the stocks I've been working with the last few months of trading, having some pretty good success with those. Again, some of the trades I am still in, technically negative on paper, but the whole goal is to either sell those off at the same price that I bought those for, or a little bit positive for a nice swing trade, along with collecting the put contract premium when I buy the stock and the call contract premium when I sell off the stock. So again, just wanted to quickly go through all of the options contracts for this week, 11th week of 2021. Again, overall, $4,473 was credited to the account. Paper loss just under $1,000 for buying Apple at 121 when it's currently at 120. So for the week, about $34.70 or so in positive options premium to the account. So just wanted to quickly go over that. Not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys are doing any trading with options, let me know what the stocks you guys are using. I definitely like to take a look at those to see if there's any opportunity there. Again, I'm doing this style of investing only in stocks I'm more than happy to hold for the longer term. Some of these are a little bit more risky, like Tesla, TSLA, and CGC Canopy Growth. Apple, I think, is a very good long-term play. But overall, having some pretty good success with each of these 3 stocks. And then when Boeing is past its 1 year of holding, I'll also start doing contracts on that stock again to hopefully sell that off for a nice swing trade, as well as collecting options premium while I wait for that to sell off. But again, that is the portfolio. If you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.